how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 16.1 Beta 2. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. Alright, so iOS 16.1 Beta 1, I will be sharing my experience on using the iOS 16.1 Beta 1 on my devices. And basically, this is a follow-up video where I will share my experience using the iOS 16.1, and I will also talk about the Beta 2. Beta 2 will be releasing really soon. If not today, it will be releasing really soon. And I know you guys are really excited to look forward what all new things are coming up on the iOS 16.1 Beta 2, and I am excited to share it with you guys. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because we are really close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. So I have been using the iOS 16.1 Beta 1 on my device ever since it came out. It's been almost a week that I'm using it, and I gotta say that this update is actually really good. It performs really good in terms of battery life because considering the iOS 16 was really bad in my experience on betas, the battery life is significantly improved and I just see it getting better over time. Talking about the feature that is talked about so much on iOS 16.1, and also it is my favorite feature, that is battery. Oh my god, the battery charging feature which reduces the carbon emission. It is something which is a bit too complex for a lot of us and pretty much most of us how this works, and I am looking forward for Apple explanation on their blogs and stuff because this is a bit too complex and a bit too revolutionary for iPhones to have this feature. This is no cap one of the best, if not the best feature out on the iOS 16 firmware. I know most of you guys don't even know, including me, not 100% aware of what's going on with this feature, but what it does is it reduces the carbon emission, and which it does in a really smart way, and I'm not exactly sure how it does, but oh my god, I'm really impressed by Apple. A lot of you guys DM'd me on Twitter at the rate tech hype. You can follow me and DM me on Twitter. I'm most active there. I keep on talking to you guys about your iOS queries and your iOS stuff. I love doing that, and you guys love to talk to me about iOS things. So DM me on Twitter at the rate tech hype and let's chat there. Alright, so talking about the iOS 16.1, a lot of you guys actually want some new wallpapers arriving on iOS 16.1, and guess what? Yes, there are possibilities that we may see coming up some new wallpapers. Yes, exactly, you heard me right. I have a gut feeling that we may see some new wallpapers incoming really soon. It is a big thing that I'm saying, but I don't know. I have a feeling if history is an indication, we may see some new wallpapers coming to our iPhones really soon. Talking about when the iOS 16.1 will be released to public, because it has one of the biggest feature for users using iPhone 11, iPhone 10R and iPhone minis, which is the battery percentage. And a lot of you guys were asking me ever since you all got to know that it has that battery percentage feature finally for your devices. You all are just going spamming my DM saying, hey Mr. Hyped, when is this update rolling out on my iPhone 10R, on my iPhone 11, on my 12 mini? So the answer is this will be rolling out really soon as the starting the first week of October, or max to max the second week of October. October is not so far. If you see, it is 20th of September, and I would expect the beta 2 coming out this week. If not this week, then next week, then a beta 3, then a beta 4, and then an RC in the first week of October, and then probably the second week or the end of the first week of October, we will see the public version. All in all, the iOS 16.1 beta 1 has been going on really good for me. And remember when I said on the beta 1 of iOS 16 when it was rolled out, I told you guys that Apple will slowly and gradually improve every little element of the lock screen UI and the wallpaper UI. That is happening. The iOS 16.1 enables you to customize and do a lot more things, and it is just much more neater to do customizations on your iPhone. As I said earlier, it's just gonna get better from now, and it's gonna get really, really better. I'm so excited, and I know you guys are excited too. That's pretty much it for this video. I know you guys did like ended up watching this video because you watched till the end. Now that you've watched it, consider hitting that subscribe button for more videos like these. Turn on notification. I will catch you guys in the very next